Hello and welcome to the homework walkthrough video for lesson 4.01a, independent practice, converting between fractions and decimals. Bam, bam, bam. Let's jump right in, share screen. Okay, actually, let me redo the shared screen, share window. Much better. All right. Go through each of these questions. What is the fraction form of the given decimal? 0.5. So your numbers are going to be different than my numbers, but the process and the steps I do to solve these questions, you can also do to solve yours. So to turn a decimal into a fraction, I'm going to look and see, where does this decimal end? It ends in the tenths place. My decimal ends in the tenths place. So I know that my bottom number is going to be 10. Now, my top number, I'm going to copy everything. 5/10. Now that looks a little silly. I don't need a leading zero, right? So I'm going to get rid of that zero and just have 5/10. 0.5 and 5/10 are the same. Let's check. Hey, nice. We got it correct. Booyah. Question 2. What is the fraction form of the given decimal? First, click on the fraction button. I'm going to find my denominator first. What is, or where does this number end? What place value? Let me zoom in a bit. What place value does this number end in? This number ends in the hundreds place. There's the ones place, the tenths place, and the hundreds place. So my bottom number is going to be 100. For my top number, I'm going to copy everything here and put it on top of the fraction. Now, looks like I have a leading zero, so I'm going to just get rid of that zero. A leading zero is a zero that goes in front of numbers that I don't really need. So 41 hundredths is my answer. 41 hundredths. Let's see. Oh yeah. Question 3. Turn this decimal into a fraction. First, click the fraction button. Second, I'm going to look for, where does this number end? What place value does this number end in? We have the tenths place, the hundredths place. It ends in the thousandths place. So my bottom number is going to be 1,000. And I'm going to copy every single number that I see and put it as the numerator. 0,595. Oh, looks like I have a leading zero. So I can get rid of that and just have 595 here. 595 thousandths. Check. You do not need to have these fractions in simplest form. Nice. Oh yeah. You can put them in simplest form, but you do not have to. What is the fraction form of this given decimal? Oh, interesting. So 6.8 is the same as 6. And where does this number end? Nice, it ends in the tenths place. So it could be like 6 and 8/10. Now let's see if the computer likes a mixed number. I think it's going to say it's wrong. Oh, nope, it said it's correct. Oh my goodness, looky there. 6 and 8/10. I could have also done 68/10. Ends in the tenths place, but all the numbers on top of the 10, 68/10. What's the fraction form of this decimal? First, click the fraction button. Now, I could do what I did here and do 29.24 is the same as 29 and 0.24, or 29 and 24 on top of something. But I think I'm going to use a different strat. I'm going to look and see, where does this number end? It ends in there's the tens place, the ones place, the tenths place, and the hundredths place. This number ends in the hundredths place. Now, I'm going to copy every number I see, 2924, and put it on top of 100. Copy all the numbers without the decimal point. And I can check my work for this question by doing, I'm going to use a calculator. You can't see my calculator, but I'm typing 2,924 divided by 100 into my calculator, pushing the equal button, and it gives me 29.24. So if I do top number divided by bottom number, I get 29.24. So I know my answer is correct. Yay! Woo-hoo. Convert this fraction to a decimal. My conversion strategy that I'm going to use to turn fractions into decimals is do the top number divided by the bottom number, the numerator divided by the denominator. 16 is the top number. I'm going to divide that by the number 5. That gives me 3.2. Thank you, calculator. I'm going to check my answer, see if I got it right. Always remember to check your answer. Question 7. Convert the fraction to a decimal. I'm going to do the top number divided by bottom number strat. Top number divided by bottom number. 96 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 19.2. 19.2. Another way to do this kind of problem is 96, 5, 19.2. Let's draw. 19.5, I think is what? Oh, wait, no, it was 19.2. Ah. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Okay, I'll just put that over here. 19.2. Okay, so we had 96 on top of 5. Another way to do this is to get the bottom number to be a number divisible by 10. So I could do times the top and bottom numbers by 2, because 5 times 2 is 10. And then 96 times 2 is 192. Thank you, calculator. Now I can see, oh, so this number ends in the 10th place. 1, 9, 2, ends in the 10th place. So where does my decimal point go? Hey, it goes right here. 19. 19.2. Nice. Or you could do top number divided by bottom number. That is also an efficient strategy. Oh yeah, here we have 34 tenths. We could use our calculator, or we could try drawing too. So 30, that's too thick, 34 tenths. So this number is a divisible by 10 number, so 10, 100, 1,000. So I can see that this number, 34, is going to end in the 10th place. Where can I put the decimal so this number ends in the 10th place? Nice, I can put it right here. So it looks like my answer is 3.4. Or I could have also done 34 divided by 10. That also gives me 3.4. Top number divided by bottom number. 3.4. Check my work. Ayo. Not last question, almost last question. Convert this to a decimal. 409 on top of 100. 409. on top of 100, the bottom number is a number that is divisible by 10. So like 10, 100, 1000. Now I can turn this fraction into a decimal without even using my calculator. I'm going to copy the numerator, 409, and now I need to figure out where does the decimal point go? So I need my number to end in the hundredths place. So there needs to be two numbers after the decimal point. 1, 2. So I guess my decimal would go right here. I could also just do 409 divided by 100, top number divided by bottom number. That would also give me 4.09. See if that works. 4.09. Yeah. All right, convert the fraction to a decimal. So 1 and a fraction, I know is going to be 1 and a decimal. The whole numbers don't change, but I know the part is going to change. So I know the 1 point. Let's find out what the second part is. What's 59 hundredths as a decimal? Well, the bottom number is 100, so I know it's going to end in the hundredths place. So I'm just going to copy 59, the top number. And look, it does end in the hundredths place. Woohoo! I could also do 59 divided by 100 to give me 0.59. 1 and 59 over 100 is the same as 1 and 0.59, 59 hundredths. I could also turn this mixed number into a fraction and then do top number divided by bottom number. That method isn't as efficient as what we just did, but there's lots of ways to do these kinds of problems. Oh, before I click finish, let's check our work. Yeah. All right, when you are done, make sure to click that finish button and then click the submit button. If you need any more help with these questions, make sure to send me a Canvas message. Good luck. Bye.